All right, here we go. How's it going, everybody? It has been a while, but we are back. How's it going, everybody? This is literally my second flight ever. Dan is my instructor again. He was awesome last time, and here we are. He's getting a headset from me. We just did a walk around the outside of the plane. In other videos, I'll go over a walk around with you guys. Maybe once I know what I'm doing out there. And yeah, here we go. Brakes are good. The prop is clear.
Clear prop.
All right, here we go.
So before you do any flight, usually I check the radios.
Okay.
You can go in there and say Chesapeake Unicom 289 radio check.
Chesapeake Unicom.
Chesapeake traffic 5.
Sorry. No, you're good. I just read that off and then radio check? Okay. I say that
Unicom?
289 radio check, please.
I'm clear, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, so you can either say Skyhawk 20289 or
Okay.
just 289.
Okay, gotcha.
I was trying to make it a little short.
Okay, yeah, you said that and I was like, wait, what he said and what I'm reading aren't matching.
Four numbers.
Okay, we're going over there, right? To the left?
Yeah, so runway 23.
Okay.
I'll make your call for you. Yep, easy on the throttle there.
Chesapeake traffic, Skyhawk 9 Charlie Sierra, turning right downwind.
That's it.
You got flight control.
Man, okay, I have flight control.
You got the controls.
All right. And you already did the call out?
Yep. We are good to go.
Cessna 447, turning right cross 123, Chesapeake. Chesapeake traffic, 5 Quebec, turning base to final, power off 180, Chesapeake. Yo, Joe, what side of the big field are you working?
All right, you ready?
East side.
I'm ready.
Full throttle.
Like
Throttle.
Yep, all the way up.
Northeast.
Full throttle, here we go.
Alright, we'll work on the south side.
Keep your hand on the throttle. Fly with your left hand to the right rudder. Airspeed is alive. Engine's looking green. And rotate. Little pull up. There you go.
Chesapeake traffic, 5 Quebec, final, runway.
And then right about there it gives you 78 knots or so.
Chesapeake traffic.
Yep, that throttle likes to slip out, so keep your hand on it.
All right.
Here comes 400 feet, so give me a little bit of a left turn. Okay. There you go. Just a small left turn. This heading's good. A roll out here. Okay. A little bit windy down here.
I felt that.
The wind said, woo!
What vertical speed am I going after?
So we're just shooting for an airspeed right now. So
Okay, gotcha.
you're pitching for 78. So if you want to get a little more airspeed, if you were usually pitch for the airspeed when the climb,
Okay,
but if you're a big jet, you're shooting for 500,000, 1,500.
Okay.
Usually we climb at 500 to 1,000 feet per minute. This right here looks really good. We'll go over to the radome and do some air work, so I'll give you a heading over that way. So we'll turn me right about 30 or 40 degrees here while we keep on climbing. And clear right. There you go. And a standard VFR turn is about 30 degrees, so right about that notch there is 30 degrees.
Gotcha, okay.
Alright, give me a turn to the left, clear left.
Clear left.
We'll go 180 degrees to the left. Go ahead and try to hold your altitude. A nice 30 degree standard VFR turn. You shouldn't have to adjust your pitch to maintain altitude.
Okay.
But anytime you bank past 30 degrees, you're dividing vertical lift into horizontal.
Chesapeake traffic, 447, turning right downwind. I've got 45 in sight. Copy, right in front of you? I can't tell. Right in front of you. Okay, gotcha.
Oh, yeah, it's looking really good.
Traffic 447, right base, runway 23, let's go.
Alright, so we'll walk through basic climbs, descents, turns, and level off. So you already know how to level off the airplane really well. So the pitch, then the power. So if you wanted to initiate a climb.
Initiate a climb? Just power.
Yep, so mixture in. Power.
Chesapeake traffic, Cessna 447, turning final. Chesapeake.
Throttle all the way in.
Cessna 140,
Start adjusting that pitch.
West, we're going to spiral over the number 23, Chesapeake.
And then you're looking for about 78.
Chesapeake traffic, 30 hotels, turn to base now. It's going to be a touch and go.
Now for a climb, do you always go all the way in or
Yes,
just
always.
Okay.
East to west.
Some of these days you'll fly a bigger plane, but most of the time it's all the way in.
Echo. At 500 feet below, Halifax traffic.
You can tell the air's a little thin up here because it's about 500 feet per minute. Alright, once we get to 6,500, you could level off.
Okay.
And then how are you going to start a descent?
We're going to just start a descent?
Yep. Yeah, just like that. Really nice. Throttle back. Without adjusting your pitch at all, it's just going to come down. My first solo cross country when I was going through private training was scattered like this. So I went up to 6,500, went down to Hickory, North Carolina. It was awesome. I had a blast. Right there, and then we'll make a turn to the left first.
Alright.
So clear left, come to left. Start pitching.
Beautiful.
Alright, passing 30 degrees, I had just a touch of throttle and a little bit of nose up trim. A little bit more bank, a little bit more bank. There's 45, so you feel that little pull, you gotta give it.
Yep.
Eyes outside, nose on the horizon.
Chesapeake traffic, Cessna 447.
There you go, that's the side picture you're looking for. A little more bank, a little more bank. Nope.
Halifax traffic, crossbow 41 is about 6 miles to the southeast. Pass at 500 feet for 4,500, depart to the south. Halifax traffic.
And then here comes the radome, and we'll level off. Start your lead off about 10 or 20 degrees.
Big traffic,
There you go.
07 Delta, turn crosswind 23.
Then take the throttle out that we added. Alright, nice job. We gained about 250 feet, or sorry, 150, 200 feet.
Okay.
But the airspeed was pretty good.
Not too bad.
You feel the pull you had to give it in there?
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, the trim might be off. I added you a little extra trim.
I was like, I'm fighting that. Wait a second.
Anytime I roll past 30 degrees when those steep turns, a technique that a lot of instructors can use, or pilots in general, they add a little bit of trim up. Not necessarily something you have to do, but it helps fly the airplane. And then we'll practice one to the right, so whenever you're ready, we'll,
Alright.
we'll clear
right?
Yeah.
The 360?
Yep. Looking outside, easy there.
Oh, I feel that.
Little right rudder.
Final runway 23, full stop.
A little bit enough to stern, you need a little right rudder, just to center the ball up. There you go. This looks really good. Don't let that bank come out. Hold that in there.
Oh, I see that.
Right
Okay.
there, right there. Hold it.
Pacific traffic, 0.
Try not to fixate on the instruments.
Pacific traffic.
Oh yeah, that looks really good. Keep that nose on the horizon. Alright, good stuff.
Wait.
And we'll head back to the airport and do some landings.
Okay.
Chesapeake traffic 289 is 45 downwind runway 23, full stop Chesapeake. And then same thing, so Chesapeake traffic 289, we 45 downwind runway 23, full stop. And then you'll make a call once you get on the base, so Chesapeake traffic 289 is on base runway 23, full stop. And then you'll make a call on final. And then once you're in the white arc, so we're in the white arc, you can start putting flaps in. So go ahead and put flaps 10 down.
How far you want to go?
10 degrees, so 1, 2, 3, there you go. Looking good, looking good. And we just established that descent down, so.
Okay.
Usually I like to lose 300 feet or so, and then I'll turn base. So there's 300
Okay.
feet, you can turn base. And you can make a call here. So Chesapeake traffic, 289's right base from 23.
Chesapeake traffic, 289, right base from 23.
There you go. And then once we roll final, so wings level.
Okay.
Once we roll final, we want to be about 65 knots.
Alright.
I'm going to go ahead and put flaps 20 in.
Alright.
And then when we're up final, 65, flaps full, and we're committed to land.
Okay.
We always go around if we need to, though.
Oh.
Alright, go ahead and turn final and let them know we're turning final.
Chesapeake 289, turning in for final 23.
You feel those flaps I put in?
Yes, I do.
Full
Chesapeake
flaps.
traffic 239 Sierra Tango, 5 miles southeast, out of 2500 for 2000, be over flying the field, pattern entry, runway 23, Chesapeake.
All right, so for the Pappy, we want 2 red.
Yep, 2 red, 2 white.
Northampton, Archer 676 Alpha, 13 miles to the north.
Looking really good, right at 65.
Runway 20, Halifax, Northampton.
Those big, full 40 degrees of flaps has a lot of nose downs. You feel that?
Yeah.
You keep pitching for 65, and then your power is going to be for airspeed. And power is going to be for altitude. This looks really good. A little pitch down. I'm going to take out a little power so we get a little lower.
Okay.
And then when we get closer, so somewhere right in here, we'll make a power to idle.
Okay.
And then you're going to start pitching up. He's bleeding that airspeed off. Losing that energy. A little more pitch up, a little more. Oh, there you go. And then we'll go nice and easy on the brakes here. Up nice and easy on the brakes. And we'll get off here at Charlie.
I was going too nice and easy on the brakes.
I know I couldn't feel you on them at all.
I was there, but I was.
The reason I say that is sometimes people go a little too hard on the brakes.
Oh yeah, okay. I was there, just barely.
And we'll pass make sure the tail's across the whole short line here.
Alright.
Right here.
And there we
And
go.
you can tell Chesapeake we're clear of runway 23.
Chesapeake 289, clear of runway 23. Clear left, clear right.
Yep. Woohoo! You survived your first landing.
Hey. Well, I had a whole lot of help.
Your second landing, I guess.
Well, the last time I kind of fingertipped the controls, so I'll count this as my first.
Yeah.
Chesapeake traffic 239 Sierra Tango.
Throttle back a little bit.
Runway 23, Chesapeake.
There you go. Don't go too fast. Corner here.
All right, mags off, master off, fuel left or right. What does that mean? Okay, left here. I completely forgot you guys. Sorry. All right, well, there's my very first flight. Well, first real lesson, I guess. Way more lessons are to come. If you guys are still watching, one, you're awesome, and two, consider subscribing and liking the video and leaving a comment. Also, if you guys want to support me learning how to fly and everything we're trying to do here, links in the description to my GoFundMe. And yeah, all right. I think I'm signing out. See ya.